औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं एक रॉबर्ट आज आपके सामने CS507 के असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 का सोल्यूशन लेके आया हूँ। माय चैनल नेम इज वर्चुअल एक्सपर्ट and must subscribe my channel if you like the video and comment your Gmail ID below the video for the word file solution. Today I will learn you about the question number 1. What kind of information systems can help organization in their day-to-day operations? You have to identify two major groups of such systems and clarify, differentiate between them and describe whether one type of support system is dependent on other or vice versa. Answer. Transaction processing system is a small business processes transaction that result from day-to-day business operations such as the creation of checks and purchase orders using a transaction processing system. TPS and MIS are used to support system. The difference between TPS and MIS is that TPS belongs and becomes a major source of data for MIS. And now the question number 2 is this. The value of attributes in an information system may not necessarily be exact. Rather, such attributes require a system that allows use to non-exact or comparative values. Your task is to identify a mathematics branch that information system can use in such cases. You also need to provide 3 attributes that may have non-exact values. The question is this, and the answer of this question is this. Information system uses discrete mathematics. Stored, coded, and derived attributes are used as are non-exact values. And now I will study the question number 3. A financial organization requires transaction among its customers be scrutinized before they are committed. Therefore, cost of setting up of a regular scrutiny process incurs a lot of operational manholes, cost, and delayed transaction processing. According to your knowledge from information system, what solution do you feel that can potentially fulfill the requirements of faster transaction processing and minimize operation costs? Your answer should include high-level composition of proposed solution. Your answer of question number 3 is this. Transaction processing system can potentially fulfill the requirement of fast transaction processing and minimal operational cost, because this provides high speed and accurate processing of record keeping of basic operational processes. And now we will discuss your question number 4. The CEO of a large organization, a large multinational enterprise, is facing some issues with customers' communications. However, managing a large number of products and customers seems to be an infeasible solution, especially in user management. As an information system specialist, how you can easily manage end users, client, agent, contact them efficiently and effectively. You should justify your answer with suitable points. And your answer of question before it says marketing information system used to manage end user clients and manage and agents and contact them efficiently and effectively because it identify of customer for firms products and services and develop of those products and services to meet customers needs. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe the channel for other updates and like the video. And if you want the solution in Word file, then comment your Gmail ID. My channel name is Virtual Expert. And I am Ikra Bhatt. And friends, God bless you all and always remember me in your prayers. I'm very thankful to you for watching my video and must subscribe my channel and spread my link also to your friends and followers. Thank you friends. Allah Hafiz.